In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a list in Microsoft To Do. This process is quick and consistent across the Windows app, the web app, and the mobile app, so use whichever version you prefer. First, open Microsoft To Do and make sure you're signed into the account where the list lives. In the left sidebar, click or tap the list you want to remove so it's open on the screen. This is important because the option to delete only shows up when you're viewing that specific list. Now, look to the top right corner of the list. You'll see a small button with 3 dots, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. Click or tap those 3 dots to open the menu. In that menu, choose Delete List. On mobile, the wording is the same, but the menu might appear as a small sheet sliding up from the bottom. On the web and desktop apps, it's a drop-down. Either way, select Delete List. You'll be asked to confirm. This confirmation step is there to prevent accidental deletions because when you proceed, the list and all of its tasks will be removed from your account. Take a second to double-check the list name before you accept. If it's the correct one, confirm the deletion and you're done. A quick but important note. Some built-in lists cannot be deleted. Lists like My Day and the default to-do list are fixed parts of the app, so you won't see a delete option for those. If you're not seeing Delete List in the menu, you're likely on one of these default lists, or you may not have that specific list open yet. If you accidentally delete a list, there is a potential safety net. Microsoft To Do stores your lists in your Microsoft account, which means the deleted list may appear in Outlook Desktop under Deleted Items. If you find the deleted list folder there, you can move it back to Tasks to restore it. This option depends on your account setup and how your organization manages data, so think of it as a helpful recovery method rather than a guaranteed one. To keep things smooth, always make sure you've selected the right list, and use the confirmation prompt as a moment to pause before you commit. That's all there is to it. Open the list, use the 3-dot menu, choose Delete List, and confirm. Simple, clear, and effective.